Welcome back to Twisted.
Wait. Before this video starts, a quick update on the XP video is that the Sandblaster is back now, so I can get that blasted next week and we can get started on the filming for that one. I'm going to break it up into 4 different videos because Rust Arresto on 4 days, so a video per day. So it might take me a week or a week and a half to do those separate 4 days, but every 12 hours I work on that car. That's it. Cameras down, tools down. That's episode 1. And we'll see how far we can get in the 4 days. Also, the Field of Dreams shirts are out now. As you've seen on the last video. Pretty good. I like them, obviously. So if you like them, go check it out. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoy this little interlude video. Some pretty cool cars here. So if you like it, bash that like button. And roll.
If you remember this video with the VH retrieval in the swamp, doesn't this look familiar? Pretty much identical, isn't it? VH Commodore, but far better condition. So you got the standard mould for the white Commodore VH edition. It's a factory option to have that as an extra, so that's pretty cool. It's rare. But jokes aside, you want to bugger off for this. Actually, I was going to scrap it, so I saved this one and a few other cars that I'll quickly update you with as well. But this one here will now be the foundation for the rebuild of the VH. The other one's going to be the donation car for the drivetrain, and this one's going to be the one I'm going to do up. So, and you can see that it's really good nick for what it is. So I'm just about to gurney it, but it's got half the interior there. Back seats there, half the dash is there. 1982 model. It's got a turbo timer, so don't know what sort of engine it was running. It's got no engine and drivetrain at the moment. Definitely a nice car to do up. Bugger all rust, you can see. Nothing there. Solid. And considering it was sitting on its guts in black soil, no rust underneath. But yeah, very good. So I'm going to quickly give this a nice bath and get all this years of mould and growth off. A bit of old man's beard here. Cue Tomax. Get it on. Tell you what, it came out pretty good. And to think that was going to get crushed for scrap metal prices. And as you're all aware, especially knowing that you probably drove this car as a rally car as a kid or bush basher like I did, VH Commodores, or actually all these Commodores around this era, any car around the 80s now, even 80s, 85, they're becoming rare. These are becoming the next stage of muscle cars, or they already are. They come up really nice, you can see, expose a few dings, a few dents, but wow, that's bloody clean in my opinion, really clean. But just look at this boot, freaking brand new. Just to show you guys that they are out there, you just got to be, it's not even luck guys, it's just having a conversation with farmers. Farmers are the best. They got hordes of cars out there waiting to be saved. he had 30 something cars. He's scrapped 24 of them so far. I don't know what he scrapped. I'm sure there would be some nice little gems in there that got wrecked, but yeah, he did say that he saved the better ones, and this is one of the better ones, but these were destined to go. If no one bought them, they'll go. So have the conversation to your local farmer, be nice to them, shout them a couple of beers, and they'll sort you out for a project car. So look at that, unreal. It'd look almost registered if it had a set of tyres on it. Yeah, so that's going to be the new Swampy, the VH Swampy that we're going to do up, and the other one's going to be the donor car for the engine and drivetrain into this bad boy. So this is the other car, 1981 Sleeker hatchback. Sorry for the wind if it's wind noise. 1981 hatchback Sleeker. So these also we're going to get binned. There's two of these, another one to pick up yet, a white one. Not much interior, but yeah, I just thought, well, anything with two doors is going to be worth money one day, so better off saving. I know I've got a problem, a bit of a hoarder, but this is a era. They're only made once. I'm not going to make these cars again. Same as all these cars I've got. Once they're crushed and gone, they're gone forever. So there's an ask for every seat. So an update with the Valiant Charger build is I have the power plant now sitting in my shed. It's a 440 Mopar big block, and I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get that registered with that in it, but I'll try to figure something out. So yeah, 7.2 litre, so I'm pretty excited for that. And the FJ45, I should be painting it tomorrow over the weekend. So it's Friday today. Should be painting that over the weekend. So should be nice and sandy taupe coloured by Monday, just in time for the XP build. So a lot is happening here at Twisted Metal Customs, and I really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching me develop and get better at doing editing and speaking to the camera. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy, bash that like button. If you really enjoyed it, subscribe. See you next time. Twisted Metal Customs.